guys, here at the Botanical Garden in New York. Okay, this is the Bronx, okay? Let's get it straight. So, there's no way HerTalk is not going into the Botanical Garden. There's no way. All right, so see you guys soon inside. And then I can't wait to show you guys all the beautiful gems that are in there. Oh, these flowers are spectacular. See you guys soon. Fun fact about flowers. They are truly us. Let's see if I could really capture this beauty. They are all women, all vaginals. I know, sound graphic, but it's the truth. Check out the beauty of this awesome, huge butterfly. Oh, I just had to share with you guys. I'm sorry. They're everywhere. They're just, you see that? They are just everywhere. I wish I captured that part, but yeah. But beautiful, beautiful. In regards to spiritual baths or baths that you just do to connect, this is the reason why we use plants and herbs for us to come back, because we are nature. This is just awesome. Another her, another her, another her, another her, another us. I don't know exactly what's the name of these, but I don't think they're lavender. Yeah, they are. Sorry, they're lavender. Yeah, they're just not dried yet, so they're still very like fluffy, like lavender. What else will we find in paradise? Enjoy. Thank you. Cactus everywhere. What took me so long? Check these out. Ouch. You should know big cactus. Honey. Ah. Okay, I'm done. They did it out of love. Beauty, 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 beauty everywhere. Beauty, 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 beauty everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. And that's all, folks, at least for this exhibit. It was beautiful. I enjoyed it. Now let's move on. There's another her again. And a her. And another her. And look how beautiful their clothes. Oh. If you're feeling down, I hope that this is bringing you back up. Open and close. So awesome. So beautiful. I think there's a wedding going on, but they didn't tell me I couldn't come. I just invited myself. If we could all be like the ants and this beautiful, beautiful flower, I guess we really be in harmony. But that would be too much harmony, right? Not this way. This is absolutely beautiful, this flower. So the reason why I am not reading names is because I tend to butcher these names. They're beautiful. So I'm just showing you guys the beautiful flowers. And I'm giving you the names so you can look at it. If you could pronounce it, then good job. Where are the beautiful flowers? Can you really get tired of seeing enough hers? Could you? Not. It is team her all day. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. Look and admire them, guys. Guys, it is the best feeling to have butterflies dance and fly around you. It's the best feeling ever. Make some time, come to the botanical garden. You just have this big one right there. I was literally like they were dancing, and I just felt their energy like just pouring at me, like you're the one, you're the one. I'm like, I am. Yes, I am. So this is the gift shop, and I'm behaving well. I am putting my foot down. Although there is one thing that I want. So I think I did good. I only treated myself to something that I felt that I can produce more of. So I'm very pleased. It was nice in there. Didn't want to leave. That gift shop is on point. So I guess they're closing up soon. So wrapping up, so everyone gotta get out. I really don't want to leave, but I have to. So see you soon. So I really was leaving, guys, but then I discovered this. Look at the pigmentation. So yes, I am sitting down, but I am far from tired. I'm not tired. I'm just like, I just wanted to show you guys this cool teacup that I got to do my herbal tea. So beautiful. I'm not sure you guys can see well, but this is it. It's like a powder pink. And it comes with this nice little filter. Goes in the cup where you could put your herbs. And then check out this beauty. Check her out. Yes, you're beautiful. And I also got this really cool rose syrup. Never had it in my life, but you could do cocktail drinks with this, and I'm excited to taste it. See? One of the young ladies said that it's not really sweet, it's more on the bitter side, but she said you could sweeten it. So I told her maybe I'll just use dates. I really don't know what she's talking about because this is sweet. It's perfect. Oh my god, it tastes so good. I can't wait to have fun with this. FYI guys, the reason why I really wanted to try this was because I know that roses are known to be the highest vibrations. So I've been trying to find roses that are completely organic, that I can actually take in and not feel like, oh my god, what the heck am I letting into my body, right? But this tastes really, really good. So I'm gonna see what I could do with this, and then I'll share what I've done. So now to wrap up, but before we go, we're gonna check out some more beauties. Come on, paradise, come on. Whew. I definitely feel like paradise right here with you. Do you feel like paradise right here with me? At least fake it. Say you do. The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion. Please don't mind me and my craziness sometimes. I get so excited when I feel almighty. And I discover me in nature. Are you? Who am I? Look still, guys. They are just dancing. Oh, they are everywhere. Remember, ladies, as we are, flowers are. They know when to close, and they know when to blossom. Trust her. She got your back. See, ladies, we also must know that as the flower is, we are. It only allows what benefits her inside. You see? Don't say I didn't tell you. If you trust her, she lets you know when it's time to bloom and when it's time to close. Wow, the beauty inside of her. Could you guys see? Wait. Let me do this recording again. Do you see? Do you see what I see? I hope you do. I feel like her. It's only right I show her that. So I hope you guys had an amazing time with me here in the Bronx. Yes, this is in the Bronx, New York Botanical Garden. I always walk here and have my own little forms of meditation and connections here. It was such a beautiful experience. I will be coming here again. I need to renew actually my membership, but I will be doing that real soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the walk with me and got to get a sense and a view of everything that this beautiful space has to offer to the world, to women, to all the hers out there. So sunshine, stay bright and beaming. But yes, guys, the beauty is spectacular. All right, so I'm heading home. I hope to see you guys in the next clip. What we're gonna talk about, I don't know. Oh yes, I almost forgot. The butterflies were all dancing around me. Even people were like, oh my God, why are they dancing around you? Everyone been here all this time and no one had the butterfly dancing. And it was just amazing. I was like emotional, I was everything. But I had a great time. So now I'm going home, you know. So I see you guys to the next walk, okay? Bye.